Hello everyone, if you're looking for the Terra Luna Classic price prediction for 2023, you're in the right place. In our last video, we discussed some of the main reasons why Terra Luna Classic is going to be making millionaires out of people. If you haven't watched it yet, you should. Link will be in the description. This price prediction video will help you set your mind on whether you want to invest in this or not. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scam and the spam comments in the comment section. Let me clear one thing for you, Luna Classic has potential. It's among the top crypto projects by market cap. Now let's get into our topic. In today's video, we'll be discussing three main topics. Number 1, what is Luna Classic and how is it different from Luna? Number 2, Terra Luna Classic price prediction 2023. Number 3, Terra Luna Classic long-term price prediction. Number 1, what is Luna Classic and how is it different from Luna? Before we jump to price predictions, we must understand what we're jumping into. The Terra protocol is an open source blockchain. The Terra ecosystem includes 100 plus projects across Web 3.0, NFTs and DeFi. Still, Terra Luna experienced one of the most tragic crashes in crypto history in March 2022. After the crash, a future plan was devised and Terra Luna was rebranded as Terra Luna Classic. Number 2, Terra Luna Classic price prediction for 2023. As of the time this video is being made, Terra Luna Classic is being traded at $0.000133253. The total market cap of Luna Classic is around $866,260,826 and the 24-hour trading volume stands at around $148,603,736. With these digits, Terra Luna Classic ranks 23rd in the cryptocurrency market. Terra Classic has great potential if you're willing to hold it long term. This is the present. Now let's talk about 2023. In 2023, Luna Classic will give an average price level of $0.000227553. And by the end of 2023, Luna Classic will be at a minimum price of $0.000221115 and a maximum price level of $0.000267455. Now, let's talk about the detailed price prediction for 2023. Let's do a monthly overview of Luna Classic price prediction. In January 2023, Luna Classic is predicted to have an average price of $0.000167766, trading between a minimum of $0.0001532.9 and a maximum of $0.000172455. In March 2023, Luna Classic will be at an average price level of $0.000177885, with a price range of $0.0001697 to $0.0000186. In May 2023, Luna Classic will have an average of $0.0001867, maximum price level of $0.000202366 and a minimum of $0.0001868. By July 2023, Terra Classic is predicted to have an average price of $0.000198221 with a maximum and minimum of $0.0002195.7 and $0.000191883 respectively. In September of 2023, Luna Classic is forecasted to reach a lowest possible of $0.0002026 and a maximum of $0.0002376. Average price will be $0.0002084. In November 2023, the average will be $0.000217878, with the Luna Classic trading between $0.000 21239 and $0.000256551. As you've already noticed, Terra Luna Classic is predicted to constantly go up. Some analysts even think that it'll go to a maximum of $0.0000562. Number 3, Terra Luna Classic long-term price prediction. Now, why don't we take a look at the long-term price prediction of Luna Classic? If the current growth continues, by the end of 2025, Terra Luna Classic is expected to turn out at an average price level of $0.0008153, with a potential lowest price of $0.0000508 and a highest of $0.0011. And the forecast tells us that Terra Luna Classic is not going to stop here. Within the next 10 years or even 2030, we can see Luna Classic at an average price of 11 cents and can go as high as 23 cents. So if you're thinking about whether Luna Classic can make you a millionaire within the course of the next few years or not, the answer is yes, because the current average price level is $0.000132553 and it's predicted to reach 11 cents by 2030. This means that within the next decade, you will 1000x your investment. Terra Luna Classic is getting 1,000 times profit, so make sure to start early if you want to make a millionaire. Also, check out our video on the price prediction of the Shiba Inu coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.